Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Hakan. I'm a scientist with a 10 year of experience. So today it's going to be our first video for the Java. So in this video, we are going to learn Java tutorials, the first introduction. Before learning the Java, we need to set up an IDE inside my computer. I prefer using everything on my computer, and it gives the more prevalence, and I can create the different kind of classes, and I can separate my classes in different files. So IDE means the integrated development environment. So where we are going to writing our codes and execute our codes, and it is going to be Intellij. I like Intellij. It's good. Give them so many prevalence, and it is free totally. So I just go to the Google search bar. I will write in here Intellij to directly to home page, or you can just directly from the click to download. You can just go to the download page. I want to just go to the home page and I see what's going on in here. So it is you can click in here download. You can see the price because it has a different kind of version, and one of them is the free totally, other one is the you should pay. So in here also you can watch the videos and tutorial for the Intellij also. So we just learned the Intellij during our videos. So I will just click in here download. So you are gonna see in here ultimate and community different version. And if you use the Mac, click just the Mac, and then you will see the ultimate and community still, and you can just download. Where we are using the Windows, so my computer is the Windows 11. So then right now I will ultimate is the with money. The cost is money. So when you look at what the ultimate going to provide you and what community going to provide you, so that when I look at and compare them, I don't need this any other tools for now, and you can get it any other things from the Visual Studio or any other ID, so you don't need it. So then community is the more than enough for me. I use always the ID, and you can click in here if you want to take the download as a zip, because zip it is I think little bit the byte is lower. If you don't have enough internet, or internet package is not good, you can just go to the zip. But I want to go to and download execution file. Total size is the 599 megabytes. So it's just 10 seconds. I just downloaded. So for the setup, you can just double click over the file, or if you lose this footer, this warning area, you can just go to the here, and in the corner you can just go to your download, or where it's download, go to this file, download file, and you can find it. Or if you cannot find anything, just download again. It's not a big deal. So I just double click it, and there's a pop-up window. It asks me the general, always Windows ask me, do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? I will say yes, or just starting to download. And it says current version committed is already installed. Do you want to continue? Already in my computer PC already I set up the Intellij. So for the tutorial I'm just set up again. So I will just say yes. I want you guys to see everything what's going on. So after the pop up this window, I will just say next. And because of I set up before, it is asked me to delete and set up again. Most likely, if you first time you are using to set up this Intellij, you will not get that kind of window. You will not get any correction like that section. So I will just say next, and in here it is going to ask you what kind of where you want to locate, or where you want to set up the IntelliJ. So you can change if you want, but I don't want to change it. Everything is good. So space record 2.4 gigabyte. So it is more than enough because my space is 240 gigabytes. So I have it 10 times more. Even, I mean 100 times more. And I say next. So this window, I will say create the desktop shortcut. Yes, I want to, because I want to click it already before I just pin it in this area too. So for any other, I will create the Java. I don't need any others. Click, and then I will just say next and next purpose. So it asks me in here, do you want to run right now? Yes, I want to totally run right now. And after then, I will just say new project. And for the new projects, so this is the, I will give the name for my projects. I will just write in here Java Studio 1. And what kind of files do you want to set up this file? It's going to be your sub file for this file. So you can click in here. You can see where you want, where it's going to be exactly. When I click, and I see in here inside the user, so it is my name in here, and I create inside the Hakan file. It is the user file, and I said okay. You can just set up in different area, and under the Hakan, my name, the file, it's going to be Java tutorial. But I want to, not this one. I want to in here Java tutorial 1, but I don't have it. So I want to create my other file. To create the other file inside the Hakan file, I will write in here Java tutorials, and right now this is going to be as domain files, and this file going to be inside this file, and I said create. They're building the your Gradle. It can take a time, so it is going to give some tips about what we are doing. You can just say next to learn the better, or you can say that don't show tips, and when you open it, it will never show again. It will not show it. You can open it again. I will just close it. So right now, what I did, we built successfully, and as you see in here, we have a red okay, a pass. So this is our package, the Gradle. You can see if the package is there, everything is in here good, and just you can close. We don't need to this one. So in here you see it shows in here. This is main is the class. See the C and blue, and this package why we see in here, because inside the Java it's creating here other files. So then to go to the inside of this file, it's right in here package and file name. So then we right now go inside the main class. So then this is the, let's look at the what's the public class main, but I will not talk about it all of them so much, because we are going to already in the next video next other videos, we are going to I will talk about it, all of them. So then I don't want you guys to confuse for anything, So, but just basically, I'm gonna tell. So public means in here as modifier, it's going to give you how to access your class or your method. So after that, we have a method, but if you see in here, main, and it is the main method and class always starting with the uppercase. As you see in here, to compile your entry code, all of them, you need a main methods. So this is very important. See in here, the apply button. So then if you don't have a main, you cannot get it, you cannot run. So other things important in here, the main, the class name, and see in here class name, it is the same. If they are not same, if you change it, see, it is warning and it says it is wrong. So it's declared in the file name main1. So it's not correct. So then what we are going to do, I will just delete it and I will go to the correction. So then in here, system out print, as you see in here, so all, and the system out print, we are going to see them so many times. You don't need to be scared because you don't have to memorize, but when you're using already, you are going to memorize. But simple short keys, you can just get into everything and just a one click. So hello world, we write in here the double quote inside. You can type anything, and then when you execute your code, and you will get into your result, the output, it's going to be hello world. So then for the, I said we can using to, for example, you don't need to memorize everything. Basically, when I say in here main and just click enter and see, you're getting to all frame in here. System out print, we are going to talk about it everything in more detail in future. Let's execute our run to our code and see what we are gonna get. And just to run main, as you see in here, it is our output hello world. So it is the general, you see the hello words so many times in everywhere for starting with the Java. Thank you very much for watching my videos. So see you in next video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.